Abberly Liberty Crossing by HHHunt Apartment Living welcomes you to a brand new community in Charlotte, North Carolina, near Uptown Charlotte and University Research Park. The community is ready to elevate your lifestyle to new heights of comfort and satisfaction. Thanks to our outstanding features, desirable location, and thoughtful blend of modern amenities, you can enjoy the perfect mix between luxury and convenience. Focused on offering a fresh perspective on luxury living, our 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments are designed with you in mind. You'll be happy to know all of our apartments feature private balconies or patios, generous living spaces, 9-foot ceilings, and huge expansive windows that allow for plenty of natural light. The chef-friendly kitchens are replete with granite countertops, subway tile backsplashes, and breakfast bars. Your home will also include lavish bathrooms, large closets, and spacious bedrooms. Our homes come with valet trash service, and some offer elevator access. Are you looking for a community with a lot of amenities? Well, we have got you covered. Here's a list of everything you'll enjoy at Abberly Liberty Crossing. An invigorating pool with in-water seating and sun deck. Vibrant clubhouse with smart TVs and places to relax with a fresh cup of coffee. The LC Lounge, bursting with billiards, foosball, an arcade, and more. Work pods with HD monitors and electrical outlets for charging your devices. A demonstration kitchen for lifestyle social events. A fitness center so large it's on 2 sides of the hall. One side is a stylized studio with fitness on demand, and the other area is full of workout equipment, including weights. All of this and so much more. Abberly Liberty Crossing by HHHunt Apartment Homes is only 15 minutes away from Uptown Charlotte, minutes away from highways I-77, I-485, and I-85, and enjoys a very pet-friendly policy with no breed restrictions. So, are you ready to explore the comfort and style waiting for you? Visit AbberlyLibertyCrossing.com. Abberly Liberty Crossing by HHHunt Apartment Homes is part of HHHunt. Visit all of our communities and learn more at HHHunt.com.